Hello, how are you doing today? This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Today we're going to dissect the Hermes London system that they have for stores. Go check this out. They were telling us that typically they cater for, this is what the sales associate said, that they cater for the local in there, but we already put our wish for the wish list, and then she jotted it down, and then down is good for a year. If she reached out to you in a year, she said that you have to pick up the bag within the 5 days. And then within that 5 days, if you don't pick up the bag, and then you lose that spot already. With the Hermes Harrods, I'm not an expert person on this one, but that's what the sales associate told me as of July 2024. She told me that at Harrods, you have to go there. There's no appointment system. You have to come there early in the morning on a Monday when they have the shipment or whatever, whenever it is. And then if there's any available bag, you're going to go to a queue. And then from that, and then if you're gonna get lucky, and then you're gonna be able to look at the bags that they have for that particular day or for that particular week. So that's what she told me. But we didn't have any more time because we only have like 4 days in London. And then Saturday, Sunday they're closed. I believe I think there's two more Hermes store there, but we haven't had the chance to visit. But those are the Hermes 411 for you, coming from London, fresh from London as of July 2024. And then so it's a possibility for you to have a bag from the airport. This one is in Terminal 3, London Heathrow, Terminal 3. And then so this is the color of that. There you go. So it's Picton, Lock 18, Toblerone, Clemens, Sun, B4. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope we learned something from today's video, whether it is the bag, information about the stores and stuff like that, and there's still a possibility, probably not a possibility, to get a Birkin or a Kelly at the airport, but any bags will do. Probably you're able to. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb. Stay tuned for our London escapades. It is going to be a very nice one. And then by Sister Village outlet mall that we went to, that one is good deal that we got. Stay tuned on the unboxing on that one. And then so thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo. I will see you again in the next video. We love you all. And then this is going to be an exciting one that we have, we have our first Hermes bag from the store. And we'll see you again. Bye.